Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, well, it's available now. It's an example of a Brittany Silver, a custom color we created with the client, Brittany Blue with an extra hit of silver. It turned out amazing. Add to that the Blackout package, impact bumpers front and rear with a spare tire holder, and you've got a truck that's ready for some summer fun. Inside, you've got SeaDek from front to back. You've got genuine Porsche leather throughout. You even have a family roll bar with our highest trim audio available. It's a focal stereo system and it sounds amazing. To keep everybody cool, we can put a Bimini top above, and it is the right vehicle to get started with the summer in style. If you'd like to turn this dream into your reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.